Hello friends and welcome to our review of the Glen 5030 OTG that lets you conveniently bake and grill at home. This is truly a versatile appliance that will take care of all your baking and grilling needs and allow you to make cakes, cookies, muffins, etc. This OTG sports a trendy look. The housing is powdered coated in black that makes it look elegant and can go with any kitchen decor. It is compact in size, which makes it sit on your kitchen countertop very easily. It comes in two variations. OTG 5030 has a capacity of 30 liters, whereas OTG 5048 comes in a capacity of 48 liters with an immensely powerful heating element of 2000 watt. On the performance front, OTG 5048 and 5030 deliver impeccable results as the latter is equipped with the highly powerful 1500 watt heating elements. Furthermore, this Glen OTG comes with a motorized rotisserie that allows you to grill a chicken hands-free. The slide-out crumbs tray helps you to clean the crumbs and spillovers easily. Enameled baking tray and wire rack add to the utility. This Glen OTG is equipped with full back convection fan for better airflow from all the four corners for even distribution of heat so that the food gets cooked better and faster. It comes with a thermostat to control the temperature and a 0 to 60 minutes timer with hold facility. The function knobs give you the luxury of selecting only the top or the bottom of both the heaters with fan or without fan based on the food being cooked. One of the best features of this OTG is the inbuilt light inside the oven that allows you to monitor the movements inside the appliance. To sum up, this is a great appliance for your kitchen that dazzles your taste buds with toothsome baked and grilled delicacies. Glen 5030 OTG comes with 2 years brand warranty. For further details, please refer to the product page.